Already prepped my face with moisturizer, toner, whatever, and I'm just gonna show you how it works. So bear with me. My face is too big, I know that, and we'll see how it works. So there you have it. Thoughts? My face have uneven lines, freckles, and all you can think of. But after applying a small amount of the foundation, it's what do you call this? It's a woke up like this base foundation. It's really I'm satisfied, so I think it's worth the money. If you go to the store and buy foundation, it's actually expensive. This is really a good one, and you guys try it yourself. You have, I believe, 10 days or 12 days to try it, and if you don't like it, you can send it back, or you can give it for $44. So give it a try. Let's see what are your thoughts. See you guys later. Bye.